In this video, we are going to discuss about the generation. What is generation? It is the process of production of electricity from a source of primary energy. It is produced by converting other form of energy into electricity. The various sources of electricity generation are fossil fuels, nuclear energy, and renewable energy. The fossil fuels includes natural gas, coal and petroleum, whereas the renewable energy includes solar, wind, geothermal, biomass and hydroelectric. Now let us discuss in detail about each type of power plants. First let us discuss about the thermal power plant. It is a traditional plant which is also called as combustion power plant. They operate with energy produced by steam boilers fueled by coal, natural gas, heating oil as well as by biomass. The steam activates a turbine which in turn will drive an alternator to produce the electricity. The next is the nuclear power plant. The nuclear power plant are a type of power plant which use the process of nuclear fission in order to generate the electricity. They do this by using nuclear reactors in combustion with a Rankine cycle, where the heat generated by the reactor converts water into steam, which spins a turbine and a generator. The nuclear power provides the world with around 11% of its total electricity, with the largest producers being the United States and France. Next, we shall discuss about the renewable energy sources. First, let us discuss about solar energy. The solar energy is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity directly by using photovoltaics. The photovoltaic cells convert light into an electric current using the photovoltaic effect. The next is the wind energy. The wind energy describes the process by which wind is used to generate electricity. The wind turbine converts the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power. A generator further will convert that mechanical power into electricity. The next is geothermal. The geothermal power plants use steam to produce electricity. The steam comes from reservoirs of hot water found a few miles or more below the Earth's surface. The steam rotates a turbine that activates a generator which produces electricity. The next is hydroelectricity. The hydroelectricity is generated at a hydroelectric facility, generally for large scale generation, which includes a hydroelectric dam. At this facility, a dam will hold back a large quantity of water, creating a reservoir. This reservoir holds water at a higher elevation than the rest of the original body of water. This means that compared to the water in the river, the water in the reservoir has more potential. When a gate is opened at the top of the dam, the water flows through channels called penstocks down to the turbine. When the water reaches the turbines, the potential energy it held from being stored up in a reservoir is transferred into the rotational motion of the turbine. As the turbine spins, they move a generator and generate electricity. This is how the hydropower creates hydroelectricity. Finally is the biomass. Biomass is burned in a boiler to produce high pressure steam. This steam flows over a series of turbine blades, causing them to rotate. The rotation of the turbine drives a generator producing electricity. Now let us discuss the data regarding the generation of power in India. India is the third largest producer and third largest consumer of electricity. In India, the power was first introduced in Calcutta. Now, when we discuss about the installed generation capacity in India, according to 31/5/2021, the capacity, installed capacity of thermal power plant is 2,09,294.5 megawatt. Gas is 24,924.01 megawatt. Diesel is 509.71 megawatt. Nuclear is 6,780 megawatt. Hydro plant is 46,209.22 megawatt. Small hydro power plant is 4,786.81 megawatt. Wind power is 39,442.25 megawatt. Biopower is 10,339.56 megawatt, and the solar power is 41,087.63 megawatt. So the total installed capacity of generation in India is 3,83,373.68 megawatt. This figure shows the location of various thermal, hydro and nuclear power plants in India based on the regions: northern region, western region, southern region, eastern region and northeastern region. When we look into the installed capacity sector wise, the central government has an installed capacity of 97,506.93 megawatt. The state sector have 1,03,869.64 megawatt, and the private sector handles about 1,81,997.12 megawatt. When we consider the hydropower in India, the first hydropower installation was about 130 megawatt at Sidrapong, which is in Darjeeling, in the year 1897. As of now, according to 2019 data, we have an installed capacity of hydro plant which is about 45,399 megawatt. Similarly, when you consider the thermal power plant contributes the largest proportion of electricity into the national power grid of India. There are three kinds of thermal power plants in India with a total capacity of about 226.279 megawatt according to 2019 data, and Hussain Sagar Thermal Power Station is the historic thermal power plant that was located in Hyderabad, Telangana, on the banks of Hussain Sagar, which is the India's first thermal power station, which was opened in 1920. Then comes the nuclear power plant. There are about 22 reactors with a total capacity of 6,780 megawatt in operation, and one reactor, CAP3, 700 megawatt, has been connected to the grid in January 10, 2021. In addition, there are 8 reactors including 500 megawatt PFBR being implemented by Bhavini. Totaling of 6,000 megawatt is under construction at various stages. Finally, the future of generation is the renewable energy sources. As of now, the installed capacity of renewable energy sources including solar, wind, mini hydro, everything is about 77,642. Now, we expect the future with the renewable energy source. In the next Power System Knowledge 3, we shall discuss about the transmission system. Thank you.